on this Thursday morning. Sam, what's going on out there today?
Another quiet one, guys. We're used to the drill by now. Just crystal clear blue sky underway. You know, I think a lot of us would take this, though, over just days and days of clouds and rainfall, of course. But we really have not seen much in the way of rain over the past couple of months. Quick look out the door with our high temperatures over the past 7 days. Last week, it was rather cool. We had some frost and freeze going on in the morning hours. And temperatures, by and large, on Thursday afternoon of last week only peaked in the mid-60s. Throughout the course of the weekend, we did manage to hit the 70s. And today and yesterday, we're going to be actually in the 80s. So we're actually going to go 2 days in a row with low 80-degree temperatures. And keep in mind, too, even on Monday, it did stay pretty darn warm outside for this time of the year. 78 for Monday to be kicking off the week. So today, I do think we're going to be dropping off a solid 10 degrees down to about 68 for the grand total. And the sunset just after 6:50 into the evening. So keep in mind, if you are going to be venturing outside to enjoy the sunshine, you only have a fair amount of hours left during the course of the afternoon before that sun really dips down across the horizon around 7 p.m. 50 degrees currently in the city. North wind staying very light outside. And again, a great morning so far if you don't like it too cold and don't like it too warm. 39 in Carrollton. Frankfort, once again, you're falling down to near frost in portions of Franklin County. Keep in mind, frost can normally happen between the temperatures of about 32 and about 38 degrees. That's normally when you do see some frost form. So we'll see what happens in Frankfort. But regardless, in Louisville, no frost this morning. 42 in Chicagoland, 41 in Des Moines, Iowa. So we're not the only ones dealing with this cooler air punch. You travel just to our south and east, they're still enjoying some 50s, where Memphis actually this morning is at 64 degrees. So we still, this month, have only eked out 0.05 inches of rain. We're going to be seeing a shot of some brief rain showers tomorrow late. But in the meantime, this weekend and all of next week will be quiet with warming temperatures day by day. In fact, you can see on the rainfall tracker, the only shot of rain will be late tomorrow evening, stretching into tomorrow night. That appears to be that best shot of seeing a passing little straggling rain shower. Nonetheless, though, our pattern does continue to stay very dry, and you can see on Futurecast today, tonight, and tomorrow, all steering clear of the rain shower activity. A few clouds will be moving into our north as we get you into tomorrow morning. But once again, there will be a little complex of rain to the west of us, mainly along Interstate 64. If you have travel plans off to the west, keep in mind there could be a couple of light showers underway. And by and large, on Futurecast, we are going to be continuing to see just a mix of clouds and sun tomorrow. And again, that 20% chance of a shower is mainly focused for around the sunset hour and beyond on your Friday into Saturday morning very early. And as we wake up on Saturday and that sunrise around 8:05 in the morning Saturday, the nice thing is we are going to be steering clear of the rain. So I do think the weekend's going to be dry overall, and keep in mind, at or above average temperatures will likely be continuing as we get you into Halloween in early November. The Climate Prediction Center is still keeping us in warmer than normal temperatures for much of the eastern half of the United States as we get you into early November. So with that said, get used to the 60s and 70s. They'll be plentiful as we get into the remainder of our fall.